In this video, we'll show you how to set your coffee grinder correctly to ensure that you get the optimum pour time of a shot. After this video, you should be able to pour consistent coffee shots and have the correct grind set on your grinder. Let's have a look at the grinder display. On the bottom you have the programming button. The middle center button is the enter button, the right hand side button is the double shot button, and the left hand side button is the single shot button. Now we're going to look at adjusting the grinder settings. To adjust the amount of coffee that is dispensed in seconds, we need to access the settings menu. To access the settings, press the bottom button twice until the display reads 2 course. Then press and hold the double shot and single shot buttons until the language settings appear. Cycle through the settings using the enter button until you see 3 times 2 coffees. This is the setting we want to adjust. If not enough coffee is being dispensed, simply tap the double shot button to increase the amount of seconds the coffee is dispensed for. Alternatively, if there is too much coffee being dispensed, tap the single shot button to decrease the amount of coffee that is dispensed. To confirm your selection, tap enter. Then select the programming button to go back to the home screen. To grind coffee into a double group handle, place the filter underneath the grinder and press double shot. The coffee will be slightly heated in the filter. Tap the side of the filter to level out the coffee. Place the tamp over the top where it's level. Tamp with about 10 kilos of force. To adjust how fine or coarse the coffee comes out, depress the lock located on the left hand side of the collar. To get a finer grind, move the base of the hopper clockwise. To get a coarser grind, turn the bezel anti-clockwise. Once set, release the locking mechanism. The ideal coffee grind is just coarser than talcum powder. The grind should move freely but sometimes occasionally clump. If it is too fine or too coarse, these little clumps won't occur and you'll know you'll have to adjust. If the grind is too fine, it will feel like talcum powder. If the grind is too coarse, it will be moving towards feeling like gravel or sand. You should only make small increments on the grinder every time. If there is too much coffee ground in the puck or the grind is too fine, when you go to extract the coffee, it will take longer than 20 seconds and may even just dribble out. This is how you know the grind is too fine or there is too much coffee in the puck. Alternatively, if the grind is too coarse, the coffee should flow out the puck quickly. If the extraction time is shorter than 20 seconds, you know the grind is too coarse or there is not enough coffee in the puck. When it is correct, the coffee should pour for around 20 seconds and leave a nice golden crema on the top of the shot.